Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel How to Hub. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic, how to protect your computer from malware and viruses. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats, it's crucial to take proactive steps to safeguard your digital environment. So, let's dive in and learn some valuable tips. Step 1. Install reliable antivirus software. The first line of defense against malware and viruses is installing reliable antivirus software. Choose a reputable antivirus program and keep it updated. Regularly scan your computer for potential threats and schedule automatic scans for added convenience. Step 2. Keep your operating system and software updated. One of the most effective ways to protect your computer is by keeping your operating system and software up to date. Developers release updates and patches to address vulnerabilities and improve security. Enable automatic updates to ensure you're always running the latest versions. Step 3. Exercise safe browsing habits. Practice safe browsing habits to minimize the risk of malware infections. Be cautious when clicking on links or downloading files from unknown sources. Stick to trusted websites and avoid suspicious emails, pop-ups, or ads that seem too good to be true. Step 4. Enable firewall protection. Activate your computer's firewall to add an extra layer of defense. Firewalls monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, blocking unauthorized access and potentially harmful connections. Ensure your firewall settings are properly configured for optimal protection. Step 5. Be wary of email attachments and phishing attempts. Email attachments can be a common source of malware. Exercise caution when opening attachments, especially from unknown or suspicious senders. Additionally, watch out for phishing attempts where attackers try to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Be skeptical of unexpected emails requesting personal or financial data. Step 6. Regularly back up your data. Backing up your data is an essential practice that can save you from potential data loss caused by malware or viruses. Regularly create backups of your important files and store them in a secure location, preferably offline or in cloud storage. This way, even if your computer gets infected, you can restore your data without any hassle. Step 7. Educate yourself and stay informed. Continual education is key to staying protected in the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Stay informed about the latest security practices, trends, and new types of malware. Follow trusted sources, join online communities, and keep an eye out for security alerts and updates. Remember, protecting your computer from malware and viruses is an ongoing effort. By following these tips and maintaining good security practices, you can significantly reduce the risks and enjoy a safe and secure digital experience. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.